You'll never need to order fried rice again. We're going to be making it at home. We're going to keep the recipe extremely simple and easy to follow along. So let's cook. To my heated wok, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of unsalted butter. I'm going to allow that butter to melt down. Once that's melted, I'm going to add my garlic and my onion. I use half of a large white onion and 4 cloves of garlic. I'm then going to allow that to saute. After about 2 minutes of allowing that to saute, I'm then going to add my mixed vegetables. I just got them from the frozen aisle. I'm just going to mix that in about 3 cups. I'm going to mix that in and allow that to cook down for about 5 minutes. Next, I'm going to add my rice in. I know it's preferable to use overnight rice, so if you have day-old rice, this is a perfect time to use it. I didn't have that, so what I did was wake up early around breakfast time, make my rice, and I just let that sit for a while. By the time I was ready to make my dinner, the rice was perfect. So I added about 4 to 5 cups of rice. I didn't really measure my rice, but that's what I would say. 4 to 5 cups of rice. I'm going to mix that in. I'm going to keep my stove on high because you want that fried rice taste and texture. So I'm going to leave my stove on high and I'm going to stand by my stove and just continuously stir it. You don't want it to burn and you don't want it to stick to the bottom of your wok. So you want to stir for about 5 to 6 minutes. I just stood there stirring and allowing my rice to fry, basically. Next, we're going to add our soy sauce. In total, I use 1/4 cup of soy sauce. I just added it gradually and tasted my rice as I went along. But in total, I use 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and about ½ tablespoon of white pepper. The white pepper truly makes a difference, so you want to add that in. We're going to give that a stir, and once again, I'm going to stand by my pot. I'm going to keep it on high. I'm going to allow that rice to fry, and I'm just going to listen for that sizzle and just keep stirring. I did that again for about another 5 minutes, and then I added my last touch, which is just the spring onions on top. I folded that in, and then my rice is ready to be served. Again, 10 out of 10 would recommend. This is not my first time making it. This is a recipe that works for me, and it hasn't failed me yet. It always comes out great. It's absolutely delicious and easy to make. I really do hope you guys will give this recipe a try. If you're somebody that loves eggs in your fried rice, you can fry your eggs before, scramble your eggs before and add it to your pot. If you want protein in it, if you want shrimp, if you want chicken, you can always add that in as well. I'm somebody that likes plain fried rice. I love to add my meat on the side. I don't like anything else in my fried rice, so this is my preference. But I really do hope that you guys will give this recipe a try. Until next time, bye.